Scene script. Ever wondered how makeup can transform your look, taking you from everyday beauty to a stunning melanin queen? Well, today you're in for a treat. Get ready to dive into a step-by-step guide on how to achieve this mesmerizing makeup look. First things first, start with a clean canvas. Make sure your face is clean and moisturized. This provides a smooth base for your makeup. Now, reach out for your favorite primer. This little beauty secret helps makeup stay put for longer. Next, grab your foundation. Choose one that is a shade darker than your natural skin tone. This will give you the beautiful melanin-rich look you're aiming for. Use a makeup sponge or a brush and blend the foundation evenly all over your face. Don't forget to blend it down your neck for a seamless look. After that, it's time for concealer. Apply a concealer that's 2 shades lighter than the foundation under your eyes, on the bridge of your nose, and on your chin. Blend it well, and you'll see how it brings light to your face and accentuates your features. Now let's add some dimension. Reach out for your contour palette and define those cheekbones, the jawline, and the edges of your forehead. Remember, blending is key here too. Once you're done with the base, it's time to focus on your eyes. Go for a warm, earthy eyeshadow palette. Start with a light shade all over your eyelid as a base. Then add a darker shade on the crease and blend it well. Finally, use a shimmer shade on the center of your eyelid for that pop. And what's a look without a dramatic winged liner? So grab your eyeliner and draw a winged line. Follow it up with mascara for those voluminous lashes. Next, fill in your eyebrows. Remember to follow your natural brow shape and fill in the gaps with light strokes. Once you're done with your eyes, it's time to give some love to your lips. Opt for a nude or brown lipstick that complements your skin tone. Lastly, dust some highlighter on the high points of your face, your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and your Cupid's bow. To summarize, start with a primer. Follow with a foundation darker than your skin tone and a concealer that's 2 shades lighter. Contour for dimension, then move on to your eyes, using a warm eyeshadow palette, liner, and mascara. Fill in your eyebrows, apply lipstick, and finish with a highlighter. Voila! You've just transformed into a beautiful melanin queen. Remember, the key is to blend well and choose shades that complement your skin tone. Here at Modest Transformation by Celeste, we believe in the power of makeup to transform and uplift. So don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Stay tuned for more transformations. Until next time, keep shining.